Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl Tracy with a curve. Today I'm gonna do roast breadfruit and curry chicken back country style. Come along with us, guys. Well, I am here in the kitchen. I'm not a big cook. Okay, I'm not a chef, but I can give you something to eat to fill your belly. This is what I'm about to do now. Here's my breadfruit. They are my roast breadfruit. So them here, them not roast yet. Them cut. And I'm going to put some fire on it. And here's my chicken back. You know, season up yet. So I'm going to clean out them thing here. Yeah. And clean off them up a fat business, huh? Yep, I season it up. Yeah, man. See there? Chicken back season up. Can't see the Irish. Yeah, the Irish potato. You can see the carrot in there. Yeah, you can see the sweet pepper, otherwise called bell pepper. And the onion, thyme. And I have scallion in there too. Yeah, I have hot pepper in there. Up and running. Yeah, well seasoned up with the curry. Look at Maggie's jerk season. Maggie had purpose. Yes, I ate that. And over here so now, this are we in the curry. I'm burning some curry over here, so you know this girl not cook without her ginger. So this is the ginger here. Yeah man. Clean up and crush it up and a piece of garlic. Yeah, so them garlic them there. A piece of pepper. You go and burn that little curry here. Yeah, man. So burn the season, you know. Yeah, so make the pot taste nice. So the iron burn on it already, I know. Yeah. And stick off the seasoning, like the Irish and the carrot, because I don't want them in the pot as yet. So I'm going to stir up the chicken back in the burnt curry. Yeah. Look nice and so. Yeah. So, what is up now? Take one and cook the seeds. Yeah. All of the water dry out of the pot now. Now put some water. Spring it on water, you know. Now I put water. Put in my water and I season them now, yeah. You see there?
Whoa, whoa.
Ready for the coconut powder. Coconut milk. Okay. Coconut milk make it taste nicer. Yeah, man. So when I coconut milk juice I go down, and I'm nothing normal. May I tell you, this is the roast breadfruit or something. Talk about me and tell you all that. What's nice? Oh yeah. Jesus. Look there. So the coconut has cooked. See? And this is ready. This is ready. It's finished. Yes, look how me I sweat. May I tell you, say the fire is hot outside. The fire outside hot. May I tell you, the smoke burn iron thing. So guys, water running off me. Water is running off me. I'm extremely hot because to go outside back and front, outside to the kitchen inside, and under the fire, no long no light fire. My god, I could actually use coal, but I wanted to use, those are boards, that's not actually wood, the board. I don't have any wood like to make my fire, so those are some piece of board that I have, and I used to catch the fire. So my breadfruit them have roast tonight. That's the finishing of roasting the breadfruit. Guess what happened now? How do you know that the breadfruit is roast? When it get lighter, it's roast. Remember when they are green, them heavy. So when they get very light, that means it's roast. So let me peel them now. Easy to peel because it's well roasted. The cottage up off, almost burn it. That is it, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.